Have you ever felt like adulthood is way harder than you expected? One moment you are in school surrounded by friends, structured routines, and a clear path forward. Then suddenly, boom! You are thrown into the real world, expected to figure everything out on your own. A career, relationships, money management, health and fitness, finding purpose, etc. All while trying not to burn out, feel lonely, or drawn in an ocean of distractions. It's overwhelming. Some days you feel motivated and ready to conquer life, other days you just feel stuck. You work hard but burnout sneaks in. You miss your old friends but everyone seems too busy. You try to focus but your mind feels foggy. And worst of all, you're passionate about so many things but end up doing nothing because you don't know where to start. If this sounds familiar, you are not alone. But here's the good news. You don't have to stay stuck. In this video, I'll walk you through how to prevent burnout without losing your ambition, how to beat loneliness and rebuild strong friendships, how to clear your mind and stop feeling mentally exhausted, and how to escape overthinking and finally take action. This isn't just theory. These are real, practical solutions that work if you take action. So if you are ready, let's dive in. We all want to be successful. We want to achieve big things, to prove ourselves, to build something meaningful. So we push ourselves, work harder, sleep less, hustle every single day, and at first it works. You feel productive, powerful, unstoppable, but then something shifts. You wake up exhausted no matter how much you sleep. You lose motivation even for things you once loved. Your creativity disappears. Work starts to feel like a burden instead of a passion. That's burnout. And here's the truth. Burnout doesn't come from working hard. It comes from never resting. Well, here's the solution. Use the 85% rule. You don't need to operate at 100% intensity all the time. Elite athletes train at 85% effort because it keeps them consistent, strong, and injury-free. Do the same in your work. Push hard but leave space to recover. Energy-based scheduling. Instead of forcing yourself to work when you are tired, schedule your most important tasks during your natural high-energy periods. Work hard, rest hard mindset. This mindset will help you because many people think rest is laziness. No, it's not. Rest is how you recharge so you can keep pushing forward. The key is balance. Work hard but make sure you have time to disconnect and recharge. Why friendships fade and how to rebuild them. At some point, you realize making and keeping friends isn't automatic anymore. In school, friendships happen naturally. You see the same people every day, you share experiences, struggles, and late night conversations. But after college, people move away. Everyone gets busy, and suddenly you feel like you have no one to talk to. Loneliness isn't just about being alone, it's about feeling disconnected even in a crowd. Well, be the initiator. Most people want to reconnect but assume the other person is too busy. Take the first step. Send that text, plan that meetup, create a friendship ritual, a monthly dinner, a weekend coffee meetup, or a quick weekly voice message. Consistency is key. Join built-in community activities. The easiest way to make friends is through repeated exposure, like gym classes, book clubs, hobby groups, places where you see the same people regularly. Friendships don't die from distance, they die from inactivity and non-communication. Your brain wasn't designed to process this much information. Every day, we are bombarded with thousands of notifications, endless scrolling, the pressure to keep up with everything. It's mentally exhausting, and worst of all, it kills your ability to focus. Well, practice digital detox moments. No screens for 30 minutes after waking up and 30 minutes before bed. Your brain needs time to reset. This will increase the focus of your brain. If you are working, only keep one tab open at a time. It forces you to focus. You can also practice empty space thinking. Sit for 5 minutes daily with no distractions, no phone, no music, just let your mind wander. Let it be wonder because your mind is designed to wandering, right? Your brain is like a glass of water. If it's constantly stirred, it stays cloudy. Let it settle and clarity will come. You know, brain fog is real. You ever feel like you can't focus no matter how hard you try? Your thoughts feel slow and scattered. No amount of coffee seems to wake you up. That's brain fog. And here's the fix. Do journal. See, journaling is the most effective thing that you can do to clear your mind. Write down everything on your mind. Dumping your thoughts into paper clears space for deep thinking. It solves 85% of the problem, and other 15% can solve your problem if you take action or if you just ignore them, depending on the problems that you have. A 10-minute walk without your phone refreshes your mind better than an app. And also, most brain fog is just dehydration. Drink more water, eat real food, not junk food, and avoid sugar spikes. Your brain needs the right fuel to function at its best. Okay, so you love learning, you love researching, something you love planning, but when it comes to actually doing the work, you freeze. You wait for the perfect plan, but perfection is the enemy of action. And also, when you try to take action, fear comes in, right? So here's the fix. Use the 2-day rule. If something excites you, take action within 48 hours. Sign up, start, or make a small step before doubt creeps in. Or you can practice another method, which is pick one thing for 30 days. Instead of juggling 5 projects, commit to one and focus for a month. Or you can try this rule instead, the 1-1-1 rule. Every day spend 1 hour on one deep task. You'll get more done than most people do in a week. I'm saying this 3 technique will work for you if you take action. You see, overthinking happens when you just thinking. Okay, so don't just think, take action also. Take action on those things which just matters to you. And how do you find which things matters to you most? Write it down. That's journaling. Okay, adulthood isn't about having all the answers. It's about learning to navigate uncertainty. Avoid burnout by resting as hard as you work. Keep friendship alive by making the first move. Escape overstimulation by creating mental space. Clear brain fog by treating your body right. Overcome indecisions by taking small steps. You don't have to figure it all out today. Just keep moving forward. Till then, stay curious and keep learning.